Is your Natwest banking app crashing and preventing you from managing your money? Don't panic. This tutorial will guide you through simple steps to get your Natwest app back up and running smoothly. First, let's ensure you have the latest version of the app. Go to your device's app store, search for Natwest, and tap the update button if it's available. Outdated apps are a common culprit for crashing. Next, we'll clear the app's cache. This removes temporary data that might be causing conflicts. Navigate to your phone settings, find the apps or application section, locate the Natwest app, and select storage. Within storage, you'll see an option to clear cache. Tap this. Do not tap clear data, as that would log you out completely. Just clear the cache. If clearing the cache doesn't solve the problem, a reinstall might be necessary. First, uninstall the Natwest app from your device, then return to your app store, search for Natwest, and download and install the latest version again. Once reinstalled, try opening the app. You might need to log in again with your credentials. If the app is still crashing after these steps, it's worth checking your device's overall system updates and contacting Natwest support for further assistance. Following these steps should help you resolve most Natwest app crashing issues and regain seamless access to your banking. Happy banking!